Welcome to First Union Lending. Today, we're talking about small business loans in Jackson, Mississippi. Jackson is the most populous city in Mississippi. It has a deeply rooted history in the Civil War and Reconstruction era. This epicenter of jazz, gospel, and folk music makes it the perfect place for any business to thrive. There are plenty of museums, historical sites, state parks, and things to do for residents and visitors. It is a hotspot for any small business to grow within a diverse community. If you're a small business owner in Jackson, you understand the need to constantly improve, and small business loans can help with that. Let's talk about the top 5 industries in Jackson and how business loans can support these industries. The wholesale trade industry in Jackson plays a key role in driving retail trade to consumers. There is a lot that goes into marketing, sales, and structure that keeps a wholesale business running. Many factors can influence the success of a wholesale business, such as supply shortages, shifting business trends, and possible delays in shipments. Wholesalers and distributors often need to ensure they can fund a plan of action in case of any emergency. Luckily, loan products, such as invoice factoring, can be great for getting working capital fast. Retail trade is another thriving industry in Jackson. Whether you're at the outlets of Mississippi, the Metrocenter Mall, or any shopping center in between, there is plenty you can do to keep growing alongside this diverse community. For example, if you need funds for general purposes, SBA 7A loans are a great option. For expansion, SBA 504 loans are perfect for buying commercial real estate. The next Jackson industry we'll discuss is professional business services. Lawyers, accountants, and marketers make up the bulk of this industry. SBA 7A loans can cover costs, including leasing terms, office supplies, furniture, and literature. Lines of credit can provide this industry with working capital for emergencies or to stabilize cash flow. With plenty of parks, museums, and history to drive in tourists, the accommodation and hospitality industry is big in Jackson. Whether you're located near the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum or the Ross Barnett Reservoir, maintaining an accommodating business is crucial to its success. Lastly, manufacturing is another major industry in this capital city. Many welders, mechanics, and production workers can find careers in Jackson. For this industry, invoice factoring and term loans can help cover cash shortages and can also be used for hiring, training, and covering payroll. Now, let's talk in more detail about the common types of small business loans available to Jackson. SBA loans. These loans are partly guaranteed by the Small Business Administration. They have extremely flexible rates and terms, as well as strict lending requirements. There are a few different types of SBA loans, including 7A, 504, micro and disaster loans. Business lines of credit. Like a credit card for a consumer, a merchant can pull funds from the line and deposit them in their bank account. Interest is paid only on the money withdrawn. Equipment financing. This financing option is used to purchase necessary business equipment. Your loan term will last as long as the equipment itself does. Business term loans. These loans provide a lump sum to a borrower and are differentiated by the length of their repayment. Invoice factoring. This financing option is best for business owners whose customers are other businesses. You sell your invoices at a discount to a factoring company in exchange for a lump sum of cash. While each of the available loans have varying qualifications, lenders will typically ask for the following general information: business operations history, business revenue statements, personal and business credit scores, and collateral if needed. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of small business loans. You can maintain day-to-day operations, purchase and upgrade equipment, renovate your existing location, or acquire a second location. Add extra staff with top talent to your team. Improve your cash flow by consolidating existing debt into a low monthly payment. The competition can be fierce in Mississippi. How will you make your Jackson business stand out? Maybe you'll introduce a new product, renovate your building, or create a new marketing strategy. Whatever the project, you'll probably need extra capital. Instead of searching for a traditional lender with a lengthy application process, choose First Union Lending to provide you with faster funding. Unlike traditional banks, we do not scrutinize you in terms of just a credit score or number of years in business. We take a big picture approach. We want to know what value you bring to the Jackson economy and how you plan to grow your company. Our loan agency serving Jackson has had the chance to work with a variety of Mississippi companies. We are all about creating long-term partnerships designed to enhance your business and set it up for success. So what are you waiting for? Call for a free consultation to help your business grow and become successful.